Your Bluetooth is not showing or not working. So let's check it why it's not working. Type services. Go to services and find Bluetooth name. Here is the Bluetooth name with audio gateway. Bluetooth audio gateway service. Check it and click it automatic and click stop and then restart it and then apply OK and go to the Bluetooth support services and click on properties and hit manual to automatic and hit restart it and hit apply and restart it. Then go to the Bluetooth user support services, click on manual to automatic and then restart it. Type troubleshoot settings, go to Bluetooth trouble settings and it will detect for the problem of any Bluetooth connection and it will tell you what is the problem with the Bluetooth connection. If it didn't work, try to type device manager and there is the Bluetooth option. You can get the Bluetooth option. Click on every single driver and set the driver one by one. If it didn't work, then type control panel and then try restart and then see if it work or not. And then after that, control panel and then device and printers. Bluetooth driver is name of the dongle. Double click on it and go to hardware and click on BR Bluetooth, double click and then change settings and here you can get driver and Bluetooth device and then update driver and click on different driver. Try to update different compatible hardware. First of all, its default name is BR Bluetooth 5.1 devices. I think it will work with generic Bluetooth adapter. Try with generic Bluetooth adapter.